Hi everybody, I'm here to teach you how to do a Gua Sha facial drainage massage to work on the lymphatic system of the face. It's great to reduce puffiness under your eyes, puffiness generally in your face, and all over reducing the toxins that are in your skin, especially if you have an inflammatory skin such as acne, rosacea, or anything like that where you need to get the lymphatic system to drain the toxins out of your skin. So we have two different types of Gua Shas that we have at the temple. We have the beautiful white crystal ones from Pure Fiji, and then we also have a hydropeptide one, which is stainless steel as well, which is lovely. So today I'm going to be using the crystal ones from Pure Fiji. Normally when you're doing your Gua Sha massage at home, you can use some sort of oil to give you a beautiful slide. We prefer to use either the vitamin C from Image Skincare, which is great for hydration, excellent, packed full of, they're both actually packed full of vitamin C. So antioxidants, brightening to the skin, hydrating to the skin, or you have the hydropeptide 20% vitamin C oil as well. Both are beautiful options for this, okay? For today's demonstration, I'm not going to use anything on my skin. So what we want to do first, when we're starting our lymphatic drainage technique at home, we first want to drain and empty out the ducts, the main lymph ducts, which are here at the clavicle, okay? So to do it on yourself, it's easier if you cross over your hands and use the opposite hand for side. And we're just pumping the main ducts there just to empty them out and allow them to be able to collect all of the lymph that we're about to drain from the face. So we would do that 10 to 15 times each side. You can save time and do both at once if you like. So we're just pumping. I'll just show you closely what I'm doing, just pumping just to release the lymph. Okay, so once we've done that 10 to 15 times, then we're going to drain the main ducts, which are also here, collecting point here by the ears. So we're going to scissor the ears and we're just pumping the ears there as well. So I'm scissoring the ears and just pumping 10 to 15 times. So once we've done that 10 to 15 times, then we're going to go down and just drain down the sides of the neck into where we've pumped on the clavicle, draining from the collection point to the bottom of the ear, from the bottom of the ear into where we're collecting at the clavicle. So this is just allowing the lymphatic system to be stimulated and ready to accept what we're about to do. And then we can pump the clavicle again, and then we're ready to start. So once you've popped your oil on your skin, then your first movement, so I'm going to use two at the same time, but you don't need to. You can just do one side and then do the other side at home, but for the purpose today, I'm going to use two. So our first movement is going to be underneath the jawline. So we're going to start, we're going to hold our heart-shaped Gua Shas like this, and we're going along the jawline. So we're doing underneath the jaw and on the top of the jaw at the same time, just out to collecting at the bottom of the ear there. Okay, so I'll do it side on. You don't need to press firm because the lymphatic system is only very superficial to the surface of the skin. So it's just underneath the surface of the skin. And in fact, if you press too firm, you'll actually be blocking the lymphatic system. So just nice and gentle. And we would do each move about 5 times. Then we can go down the chin and under. Then I would just do a couple more just to collect what we've put under the chin and drain it out to under the ear, which is our dumping point. So we're collecting it just at the bottom of the ear there. Our next move, we're going to use the large part, the long part of the Gua Sha, and we're going to drain from the sides of the mouth towards the bottom of the ear. Sides of the mouth, towards the bottom of the ear, collecting it at our collecting point. And we're going to move up to the sides of the nose and do the cheeks. And we're going to collect it near our temples. Okay, now we're going to use the long part of our love heart in the Gua Sha, and we're just going to do under our eyes and collecting near the temple. Okay, now we're going to do above the eye. We're going to use the heart-shaped part of our Gua Sha, and we're going to put it one under our eyebrow and the other part of the heart shape above the eyebrow, and then we're just draining out. To the temples, to our collecting point. Now we're going to do our forehead. We can do a few draining up with the long side of our heart. Then we're using the long part of our heart and we're draining from the center of the forehead out to our collecting point, picking up at the temples down to the bottom of the ear. From the center of the forehead, draining all the way out, picking up what we just dumped at the temples, bringing it down to the bottom of the ear. Center of the forehead, picking up what we put at the temples. To be taken away and eliminated through the lymphatic system of the body. I would do that at least 5 to 10 times. Then what we're going to do is scissor the ears again. Just massage to get our lymphatic to eliminate everything that we've put there. 10 to 15 times. Then we're going to empty out down near our clavicle where we dumped it in here, so it's easy to cross your hands if you're doing it on yourself, and we're just pumping 10 to 15 times. And that is how you do a lymphatic drainage massage on your skin using Gua Shas.